Welcome to Smart Choice Security. For all products and services, please visit smartchoicesecurity.co.uk. This is a Smart Choice Security rechargeable doorbell. It has no wires whatsoever and provides a HD picture and two-way sight and sound. Once the doorbell is pressed, it will send a notification to your smartphone that someone is there, and also through the Bluetooth plug, which you can place anywhere in your home. This has 50 different tunes. You can talk two-way from anywhere in the world to anybody who is either near or who has pressed the doorbell. The Smart Choice Security doorbell provides roughly 4 to 5 weeks of battery time and is easily recharged for only 6 hours. There is an option to hardwire your doorbell to a 12-volt adapter if you do not wish to keep recharging your doorbell. We also do not charge any ongoing subscription fees, as the footage is saved into the inbuilt SD card that is provided. It is also saved to your phone if you wish. So motion sensors at night, and you also have the option to have live viewing footage from anywhere in the world as long as you have 4G. Installation of this product would take approximately 15 minutes, or else one of our Smart Choice Security installers can do this for you. You also have the option of 2 different cameras that work off the same app, and again with no subscription fees.